Okay, this device right here, you put on the door, and it prevents anyone outside the door from opening it. And so since this door on this bathroom opens like this, and this is how your main entrance door of the apartment or a hotel room would work, it opens towards the inside. So this area here, say this is the inside of the place, and through this door is outside the apartment or hotel room. So this piece right here, that little hook, will go inside here, right there. So, and this button right here allows you to adjust it. Now, you don't have to mash the button to move it the other way as you hear it clicking, but it won't go back unless you mash the button. So with this in the hole, just like that, you will close the door like so. See? It's hooked in the hole, and then the door closes. Trying to do this. See, the door latched. So the door is latched. And you take this thing here and just slide that out of the way against the door. All the way against it. Pull on this and then push on this to make sure it's on there. Now this door, even if somebody can unlatch it with a key, they will not be able to get in. They will not be able to open this door. The only way this door will come open is if you come right here and you mash that button that allows this to slide back off. Then the door can be opened. I can turn it. So now the door can be opened. And that's how you use this door safety lock that will keep y'all safe. Please use it.